Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. In the previous class, you learned how to write greatest number, smallest number, ascending orders, and descending orders. You learned that. Now, next topic, formation of 5-digit numbers. First, will learn formation of 5-digit numbers. For example, now tell me, children, what is this? What is this, children? This is the 9. This is greatest number in 1 digit. This is 1 digit greatest number. Okay, children. Now, I add this 9. 9 plus 1. I am adding to 9 plus 1. You get how much? 10. You get 10. Okay. Here you get 10. This is 2-digit smallest number. This is 2-digit smallest number. This is the greatest number. And you add a plus 1. Then you get smallest number. Okay, children. Now next, what is our 2-digit greatest number? What is our 2-digit greatest number? 99. 99 is the 2-digit greatest number. Then you add to 99 plus 1. You get how much, Amma? 99 plus 1. You get how much? 100. What is this 100? This 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number. Yes, children? Now, this is keep in your mind. Now, next one, 999. This is the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number. You then add plus 1. 999 plus 1. You get how much, Amma? 1000. What is the 1000? This 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. What is this? Smallest 4-digit number. Now next one. What is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. This is the greatest 4-digit number. You add plus 1. You get how much? 10,000. 10,000. What is this 10,000? 5-digit. 5-digit smallest number. You can understand. First, in every greatest number, you adding plus 1. You get next digit smallest number. Next digit smallest number. For example, here you get 1 digit smallest number. You plus and you get next digit. The next 2 digit smallest number. In every time, you take the greatest number. You adding plus 1. You get next digit smallest number. You can understand. Now, please copy in your classwork this table, children. Please keep one book for mathematics classwork. This is right in your classwork, children. Please note down this. Okay. Formation of 5-digit numbers. Please write in your classworks. Okay. Now next one. What is our next one? Periodic table. Periods and place values. Next one, periods and place values. Now tell me, children, we know place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Yes, first you write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Okay, this is the periodic table. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Now what is the periods? In periodic table is divided into two periods, that is thousands periods and ones period. Okay, thousands period and ones period. First one is what? Thousands period. In 5-digit in 5-digit numbers, our place values is divided into two periods. That is first, that one is thousands period and ones period. Thousands period and ones period. What is our place value in 5-digit number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Ones, you should write O, tens T, hundreds and thousands TH and 10,000 like this, TTH. What is our, in ones period what comes? Hundreds, tens and ones. Ones, tens, hundreds. In thousand periods, thousands and 10,000. Next what comes? Lakhs. So that is lakhs period. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. That is called a lakhs period. Please copy this in your classwork. Periods and place values. Let's see next one. Activity 1, that is in next class. Compare and insert the symbols. Like symbols, I will explain symbols. What is this? Auto read this. Before you class, you learn this symbols. How to read? Where are use this? Where use this? Okay. For example, what is symbol? You don't know what is this symbol. I can't read this one. Like this. This is, what is this? L. I bend like this. After bending, I get this symbol. What is this letter, ma'am? What is this letter? L. Yes. What is this letter? L. L for, this is English alphabetical order. L. I bend like this. After bending, I get this symbol. L for less than. What? L for less than. This is kept in your mind. How to read this symbol? Less than. L for less than. Like L like this. I bend like that. Now you get this symbol. L for less than. This is kept in your mind. Only we are using two symbols. That is one less than. Another one is what? Greater than. You can remember two names, that is less than and greater than. What is less than? What is greater than? So you can remember L for less than. Now another one is what? Greater than. How to call that? Greater than. Greater than. Okay. This one keep in your mind. L for less than. Another one is greater than. You know this symbol? Equal to. Equal to. Okay. This is keep in your mind. Next class I will ask you what is less than, what is greater than, where it is using. Where it is using means like this. This is a less than. This is opening side and this one is a closing side. In my intention, this is opening side. This is closing side. Opening side always comes big number. Opening side always comes big number. This closing side always comes small number. Okay. Now next one. Oh, this greater than. In greater than, this is opening side. Opening side always comes big number and closing side always comes small number. Still any doubt in this one? Please ask me, children, in our WhatsApp group. Okay, children. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.